Hi there, WBRC First Alert Chief Meteorologist JP Dice. We finally do have Tropical Storm Hermine. That's right, about 350 miles west-southwest of Tampa, Florida. This is the track, and if you notice that track, that cone, shifting a little bit more to the west. Now, don't be afraid. This is not going to be one of those deals you wake up tomorrow morning and suddenly it's making a beeline toward Gulf Shores. I don't see that happening, but we do see more of that landfall, perhaps maybe around Apalachicola, Florida. Could be even a little bit closer to Panama City as we get into the next day or so. So just keep in mind, I don't see a hurricane forming out of this. I think it's going to continue to stay a tropical storm, perhaps a strong tropical storm. Plenty of rain moving into the Tampa Bay area right now, some bands of rain. If you know anything about Tampa, Florida, you know fairly easy to see some flooding there, and it wouldn't surprise me if they see some of that over the course of the next 24 hours. Plenty of rain expected in the northern part of the state. Tropical storm watch in effect all the way from just north of Tampa all the way to the Panama City area. Here's a look at our threats, and we're looking at the threat of some flooding and also a limited risk for tornadoes. So that's what we're going to be dealing with here over the next 24 to 36 hours. I think eventually this system is going to exit, make its way into the Atlantic, but Friday and Saturday in particular could be some issues. Breezy, very rainy for Savannah, Georgia, and Charleston, South Carolina, as this system moves across North Florida. Predicted rainfall amounts. What are we talking about here? I think the heaviest rainfall is going to be around Apalachicola eastward. By 4 p.m., a little bit over 2 inches of rain on Friday. That's accumulated rainfall. About 3.5 inches around Apalachicola, and about 2 inches of rain toward Panama City. The heaviest rain will be toward Live Oak and Horseshoe Beach in Florida. This is what we're expecting. This system is going to make landfall sometime late Thursday. No impacts really for the Alabama Gulf Coast. Still, I don't see that as being a problem. Cross City, Florida, Apalachicola, maybe as far west as Panama City, but I think right there around maybe Apalachicola or Perry, Florida, somewhere in there is going to be where some of the higher impacts will be. Next 24 hours, computer forecast model, 10 o'clock at night, temperatures in the lower 80s. 6 a.m. on Thursday, temperatures lower to mid-70s, and we stay dry Thursday. Lunchtime temperature around 90 degrees. Our forecast, if you're going to the Auburn and Clemson game, temperatures in the 80s, partly cloudy skies. Alabama and USC, 82 at 10 a.m., 91 at 2 p.m. Good-looking weather in Texas. I know the game's inside, but still, if you're heading out to Arlington, it is going to be a fantastic-looking forecast. No rain over the weekend, a little bit cooler too, highs in the upper 80s. WBRC First Alert Chief Meteorologist JP Dice will keep you updated on air, on digital, right here on your mobile device. Any changes along the way, we'll be sure to let you know.